Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to do a challenge of Burger King
and Sonic. Okay, so first we're going to do Sonic.
Okay, first we're going to do Sonic. So I'll set the Burger King back down.
Tater Tot.
Sonic Tater Tots. Oh. One for Cameron. Not bad.
No.
Yeah.
No Sonic Tater Tot.
Do one more, just. Okay, not bad. Then we got, what do we got here next?
Sonic.
Jumbo Popcorn Chicken.
Jumbo Popcorn Chicken.
They're okay.
Yeah.
They'd probably be better with some sauce or something. But they're not bad. I think they gave us ranch. Oh, yeah. Yep, Sonic Ranch. But we'll set it here in the little tray. Might try it again. And what else did we get from Sonic? That was it, right?
More chicken.
More chicken, yep. Alright, and we also got a strawberry limeade. And I believe Cameron got a blue raspberry slushy with Nerds. Yep. Let's compare them. I'm gonna try the blue raspberry slushy. Tastes like your normal blue raspberry slushy.
I know. I did to try the limeade.
Well, Cameron likes
No,
it.
it's just a sadness.
He wants to steal it. But show the logo. Alright, so then we got let's try the Burger King. Burger King, we got a bunch of things. We got French fries. Let's do the French fries first. Or are they? Oh, wait, I'm sorry. They're not French fries. They're called Thing Fries. Oh, here. I gotta try one. We got Thing Fries. Well, this says Things Rings and other things. These are Thing Fries. Tastes like normal French fries. But there's nothing like the Golden Arches fries. These are almost raw when you bite into them. They weren't cooked properly, but they're okay. They're Burger King French fries. If you've had Burger King French fries before, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
A couple other things here. Let's try the Thing Rings. Cameron, I don't know if you're gonna like these or not, but as part of the challenge, you gotta try it. Oh, one fell down. Delicious.
So.
So. Okay.
Not really, but it's okay.
And they gave us ranch. They also gave us zesty sauce for our rings. And then we got chicken nuggets. Let's try Burger King chicken nuggets. I'll roll up the window here. Want to see inside. Look how delicious those look. And then we got, there you go, inside, deliciousness. Let's try these chicken fingers.
Huh.
I'm sorry, they're called chicken fries. They're pretty good. They actually got a different batter on them than the chicken nuggets. So, out of comparison, this could probably be a short video because we're almost done. On comparison scale, what do we compare better? The chicken from Burger King or the chicken from Sonic?
Okay.
Burger King's chicken nuggets win. They're better than Sonic's. I agree. The fries are actually really good. The chicken fries actually have almost like a zesty batter on them. Not too spicy, but definitely a different batter than the chicken nuggets themselves. And the French fries and tater tots, what won? I think the tater tots. Yeah. But all right, everybody. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. There will be more. Give us a thumbs up, like, and all this other stuff. If it's on TikTok or
Bye.
YouTube, wherever you post it, or I post it and you see it, thumbs up. Thank you.
I'm so sorry.